How to open junk email folder in your Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to open up your junk email folder in your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your search and then search for mail app. Once you've searched for mail, you just click on it. Now once you open up your mail, you'll get this kind of interface. You just need simply go with the account, expand the account. And if you expand it, you'll get this kind of interface. Now you just need simply go with the arrow again, and you will have the draft, send email, trash, important, or spam. And in these options, you will find the junk email folder. Or you can also open up your browser and then open up your Gmail anytime. And then here on the left side, you need to just simply go with the drop down. Or you can also go with the more options, and you will find the spam option. So this is your spam or junk email folder. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.